Hi, my name is Dr. Erin Hope from Lion City Chiropractic. As chiropractors, we often get asked what the noise is that's released as the result of an adjustment. Apparently, we're infamous for cracking backs and necks, but quite simply, we don't crack bones. We do adjust joints. The joints we adjust are usually synovial, which basically contain fluid. This fluid helps to protect your joints, acting as a shock absorber. This fluid absorbs gases from the body, mostly CO2 and nitrogen, and when we adjust a joint, stretch that joint capsule and a small amount of gas is released and makes a popping sound. Sometimes this popping sound is loud, sometimes quiet, and sometimes no sound is made at all. So here's the secret. The crack actually has nothing to do with what chiropractors do. We adjust the spine to increase mobility, stimulate neurology, and realign the spine.